So my partner wanted me to ask you how come you don't have a Class A passenger vehicle permit?
He ain't looking at my license.
Yes, it says in the back.
He's not even looking at my license.
You gonna answer my question, or you want to explain why you don't have
I don't answer questions, sir. I don't answer questions.
Okay.
See that? Anybody can walk past. Anybody can walk past this sidewalk. He told the owner that he cannot walk through this traffic stop. That's what he told the owner. Now let's see what he's looking for. Hey.
If I tell you stop one more time, you're gonna go to jail.
Can you let me go?
No.
Can you let me go?
Come back over here.
Can you let me go?
No.
He already frisked me.
Come back over here.
Man, would you let me go?
Come back over here.
Would you let me go?
Put him in handcuffs.
Man, look, let me go, man.
Stop resisting. You're under arrest.
Resisting for what?
You're under arrest.
Are you serious? Okay, failure to obey. Right, okay. He's already arrested. Here we go. He's so sick.
I'm out.
I'm sorry about this thing. I don't know what the hell they're doing to him. What did he just do?
He was just walking and they grabbed his shirt and he asked him to let go of his shirt. He wouldn't let go of his shirt.
Awesome. He was just walking and then they grabbed his shirt and then from there then they put him in cuffs.
I did see it.
Yeah. For no reason. They were just saying that, oh, he was being unruly. What the fuck? Yeah. So I don't even know how to get this thing home now. I don't know if they're, I mean, they have him in cuffs and then now they're searching his shit. I don't know. I have no idea. Then the whole group just got up just now, and they were just like, oh, like we saw like the whole fucking thing. They were just like, yo, we're sorry, and then they were just like cussing out the cops and like, this is fucking bullshit what you're doing to these guys. I don't think I need a CDL to drive it home. That's only with people on board. Yeah, I only need a CDL for people on board. I don't know if you're able to meet here and we just drive it back. It's up to you. I don't know what the fuck to do. All right. Yeah, he's got it all. What do you mean? Because they just pulled us over last week and they checked all of the shit, and he was fine. He had all the endorsements. That's why all he got was just the traffic shit. Yep. Yeah. All right, let me call you back. I'm going to find out what's going on. I am. Well, obviously, because they're whatever. All right, bye. Because a right turn.
Yeah, I think we'll be arrested.
Because of a right turn. It's just, but here's the thing, same officer, same exact spot. He said they started following the second you guys left, right? He's got a camera on the back. He said, yeah, they literally just started me, and they reported him over for just a right turn, and that was it.
That sucks. Man, I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
I don't know. Ron said we'll see how it plays out. They let him out, so I'll know in a second. Wait, are you guys taking them in, or are you guys releasing them here? Can't hear you. Hey, they're arresting him. I need you to come if you can to just take it back. Yeah, well, you guys, I'm assuming it was with him. We can just drive it back home.
No, they're towing it.
Why?
Because he was driving and he got arrested.
They're towing it because he was driving it and he got arrested. That doesn't make sense. Why would you guys tow it? Because I've been able to move cars before that somebody, since I own the property. So why can't we get rid of it and drive it back home? It's only a mile and a half away.
Sir, you don't have a valid license to be able to operate that, right?
I don't, but the guy on the phone does.
Okay. And that person's not here right now.
Well, he's a minute away. If he wants to come, that's what we're saying. The only time we need a CDL, that's if you have passengers on board.
Okay. So you have somebody that can drive it that's a minute out here.
Say it again?
You have somebody that can drive it that's a minute away.
Yeah, well, he's 3 minutes tops, yeah. By the time you guys get all that hooked up, that's going to take over an hour.
No, it's not going to take an hour, but... No, he left. Are you guys attached?
Yeah, if you can be here in 5 minutes and I can take it home. Are you guys going to bother him if he just takes it home? That's all. We're just taking it right back to where it originally was. No, you just literally had with Gallagher and everybody. ADOT approved it. Wait, why don't you guys get a hold of Gallagher and Evan Pulowski? This whole thing is. That's why. Now they're saying that. See what I mean? We already did inspections with DPS, ADOT. We had a meeting with the entire state. Gallagher was there. We have the clearance for everything.
Why are you asking me that question then if he takes the vehicle from here to private property?
Because I just asked, and Dickhead just said that he was going to tow the thing. And that's why I'm asking if the guy...
None of us are being unprofessional.
You just arrested my fucking driver. You didn't do anything. I was just right here and I saw the whole thing. So did they. It was all on video.
A couple of things from what the officers were saying. First off, he's obstructing a public thoroughfare, which is a criminal offense. Secondly,
He's obstructing what?
a public thoroughfare, which is a criminal offense.
Define that for me. What does that mean? A thoroughfare?
You're in the roadway and it's blocking so people can't get around and travel through like they're allowed to do. So if you're in a lane and you're a single lane road and you're blocking that single lane and you're sitting there stopped and there's traffic coming up that can't pass freely, that's obstructing a public thoroughfare.
Where was he? He told me that he came down this road, made a right, and they got him for a wide turn.
And I'm not going to get into that with you. If you want to find out the details of everything, you can certainly request a copy later on. My whole point is that I would appreciate it if you don't refer to the officer. Okay?
I apologize.
I'm not here being a jerk to you or anything, okay? I'm trying to work through things.
Yes, the entire operation is allowed online, on the roadway. I had to go over to you guys and go to the state, and then everybody told you guys in the meeting that we were fine. That's why we had to put brakes on the trailer, and we had to widen the mirrors. And that's why when we got pulled over last time, they did a full-on inspection. Everything was completely fine. They just gave the driver the stuff for a wide right turn and impeding traffic. Everything else was completely fine. I reached out to Galahar and I said, listen, I was like, obviously you know it's a trailer. He's like, you have to make a wide right turn. He said, I understand. He's like, you're just gonna have to just fight that in court. Obviously, we would have gotten everything else for a ticket for not being allowed on the roadway.
Okay.
So
if the other driver is pretty close, then I'm fine with the other driver taking it.
okay.
I can't sit here waiting all day.
I know. Hey, Dodger, can you come? Yeah, they're going to let you. I told them that you were literally 3 minutes away. So, I'll be right here, and we'll just take it back. I'm sorry. See? I don't know. Well, Ron got arrested. I don't... What was that one charge again, just so that I know what... obstructing a public thoroughway. He's coming right now. Yeah. Alright, you know where Fox is up? No, they said that we're getting in, we're out. They said the semi-trailer was on the way, and I'm like, no, we're just going to take it right back. Alright, so we're literally right outside of Fox's. I'll see you in a minute. Bye. We'll be here. He's on his way. He's had drink water. Hey, Henry! Oh, are you riding back with us? He's on his way here. It's up to you. Oh, you already got it. Never mind. You're good. They arrested him, and then everybody got off, and now I'm waiting for Don. They were going to tow the whole thing, and then Don's on his way up so we can drive it back. Well, that's the thing. The cops are like, well, you're legally on the road. This operation is not allowed. I'm like, what? And now it's going to become a lawsuit and harassment because I don't give a fuck. I'm like, this is unreal. What? Who? Not Ron. I'm saying that the police said it wasn't allowed. He got in jail because they started grabbing him and then he was like, dude, stop touching me. Everybody was just like, what the hell are you doing to him? And then they started like telling him shit too. And then, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. They didn't say anything. No, it's not my Hornet Dot's coming. I'll call you back. Hey. Fox Cigar. It's on. You know where Boondocks is? Here, I'll get the address and I'll send it to you. Just head north, and then veer off on the Drinkwater.
Okay.
It's basically like whoever.
I got the address.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we're directly out front. You can just park anywhere. I parked my Jeep across the street. All right.
Can I get to Miller from there?
Yeah, you can get to Miller. From Miller, yeah, then you make a left on Indian School, and then I think it's, what is it, 75th Street?
I just want to take Miller all the way out.
Okay. All right.
What class does the guy who's coming to pick up this vehicle? What class does he have? CDL license.
He doesn't have a CDL. You don't need a CDL unless we don't need a CDL unless we have passengers on. They made us require to have a CDL for a bus endorsement.
So there's different classes. This considers this is a Class A vehicle. Okay. So
If you guys are in the meeting with everybody else.
okay, dude, I'm just explaining to you. My partner over here.
I understand.
The one that's more knowledgeable.